In the heart of ancient Babylon, a tale of unwavering faith was etched into history through the story of three men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Ordered by King Nebuchadnezzar to bow before a colossal golden idol, these men stood firm, placing their trust not in earthly power, but in divine fidelity. Their refusal led to the fiery furnace, stoked 7 times hotter than usual. Yet, in an astounding twist, they emerged unscathed, with a mysterious fourth figure seen walking amidst the flames. This narrative underscores a profound message. True faith can withstand even the fiercest trials, leaving an enduring legacy of courage and spiritual conviction.